Turkish Future Weapons 2021 to 2030. Altai MBT, place of origin, Turkey, type, main battle tank, expected, in service 2021. Kaplan MT, place of origin, Turkey and Indonesia, type, modern medium weight tank, expected, in service 2021. Ulqa, place of origin, Turkey, role, directed energy weapon, status, in service 2019, Ulqa upgrade version is expected 2022 in service. Gökdogan, place of origin, Turkey, role, beyond visual range missile, expected, in service 2021. Bozdogan, place of origin, Turkey, role, visual range air-to-air missile, expected, in service 2021. Geleceğin, place of origin, Turkey, role, long-range cruise missile, expected, 2022. Gökdeniz, place of origin, Turkey, role, close-in weapons system, expected, in service 2021. Sahi 209 Block 2, place of origin, Turkey, role, electromagnetic railgun, expected, in service 2022. Supan, place of origin, Turkey, role, electromagnetic railgun, status, unknown. Koral, place of origin, Turkey, role, electronic warfare system, status, in service 2020, Coral upgrade version is expected 2021 in service. Hisaryu SAM system, type, long-range SAM system, place of origin, Turkey, operational range, minimum range, 30 kilometers, maximum range, 100 to 150 kilometers, note, Hisaryu expected introduction 2023. Cyper SAM system, place of origin, Turkey, role, long-range air defense system, expected, in service 2025. Sarb 83, place of origin, Turkey, role, penetrator bomb, expected, 2021 for mass production. Tufan, place of origin, Turkey, role, railgun, expected, in service 2022. T-129B Atak, place of origin, Turkey and Italy, role, attack helicopter, expected, in service 2022. T-625 Gökbe, place of origin, Turkey, role, utility helicopter, expected, in service 2022. Tigerjet, place of origin, Turkey, role, trainer and light combat aircraft, expected, in service 2021. Tai Aksungur, place of origin, Turkey, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, expected, in service 2021. Tai TFX, place of origin, Turkey, role, stealth air superiority fighter, expected, TFX's introduction 2025. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.